If you spend much time watching this network, you've heard endless chatter about the Federal Reserve, the business cycle, tariffs and trade, and of course, all the ways our trading partners try to get over on us by breaking the rules of the great arbiter, the World Trade Organization, or at least breaking them in spirit. But for all the relentless focus on the Fed or trade policy or the inherent boom and bust nature of the economy, we don't always do a great job of putting this stuff into context and explaining why it matters to you. And I include myself in this. There are periods of time when on any given night, you'll see me ranting about how maybe the Fed chiefs made a mistake in the fight against inflation or unemployment. Then he makes one statement. Suddenly I'm acting like the guy's the best thing since sliced bread. A responsible guy, a kind man, a good man who's doing an amazing job that the stock market absolutely loves, at least until the next meeting. See, there's a problem in financial journalism where we can get so inside baseball that we forget to lay everything out in a way that everybody can understand, even if you don't have a job at an investment bank or an economics degree. That's why my mission is to take these concepts and make them accessible, so home gamers like you can analyze stocks with the same level of rigor as the professionals, the same way we do with the CNBC Investing Club, which I think you should join. But there's only so much time in any one show, and there's a lot to cover every day. That's why tonight I'm stepping back and explaining everything you need to know about the Fed. The business cycle, macroeconomics. This stuff is essential. Don't worry, I'll make it interesting. You know me. Let's start with the Federal Reserve. We often act like the Federal Reserve is really all important. Right? The only thing we need to know, sometimes it's true, although mostly it's an exaggeration. You'll hear metaphors about the Fed. When they cut interest rates, they're tapping the accelerator in the economy, causing it to speed up. When they raise interest rates, they're slamming on the brakes. You hear all of this stuff. It does drive me crazy.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.